Welcome to Upgrade. I'm your host, Frank the Tank, and today we're going to bring in one of these VIVO electronic stand-up desk. And this version is white, and actually it's a little different from what you see up there. So we're going to actually take a look at it, and we're going to put it together. But before I continue on, I just want to let you guys know that 90% of my viewers are not subscribers. Please hit the like and subscribe and help the show out. I'm your host, Frank the Tank. We'll be back with the build. Well, I'm completed with the whole build. If you guys can see the controllers, I just need to set it up right now. There's a couple of things you can do. There's 3 memory slots that you can remember, so you could program this thing. Bad thing about this thing is that I can see the lines through. I mean, even though I try to figure them out and they're not cut properly or they're not hold properly. I don't like this. If you guys can see it, if you could hear that, it's not evened out. I was messing around with it, but the holes are not lining up properly. So I would have to put another mat over this. This is going to be my primary desk, but I'm not stable. I think I'm going to have to buy a whole piece, just the piece itself, and maybe mount it up by itself, because 3 pieces, they cut them here for purposes of shipping and packaging them, but I'm not happy with the top, to be honest with you. Holding a monitor, you can hold the monitor, but multiple monitors, you're gonna have a problem. So I suggest maybe cutting one piece or getting a piece by itself. So if you guys like what you guys see, make sure you guys hit the like and subscribe. But other than that, over and out.